Really? A terrible spot, lady. So we were like up on that hill, huh? I like that boulder. Man, if it's already this cold in October, just imagine how cold it's gonna be for the Temecula Valley equine riders in November in Chihuahua. Yeah. Wow, that's a nice view. You want a picture? Okay. Cool. Stand, not you in the picture. Okay. Oh. Where does this trail take you? No. Woohoo! Eh. That was a decision. Oh Lord. Woo! You don't want to go to Dead Horse Trail? Eh. What a name. Okay, you're okay. There you go. Jesus Christ. Nice and easy. Good boy. Good job. Good job. Ow. Got her. Good job. Cute out here. And now we're in the secret garden. This one? Okay, you want a snack-sized energy bar? Take a left. Want it? I knew you would. Does that mean we go back up? Run a hill? Oh my God, this hill is huge! So where do we have to go from here? Oh, ooh. Echo said I don't care. He thinks it'll get him to the water faster. He's slurping. Huh?
You found that water, huh? You want to try some? He's got his entire nose buried in it.
I told you he's gonna go snorkeling.
He did. Oh wow, you guys. I'm tempted to stick my own face in there.
The sounds.
Wait, 8.5 miles.
Wow, we're chugging enough water that the thing has to refill.
Very sweet.
Okay. Can you bring your head over here? I think they're gonna have to get hosed down. That goes nasty.